Okay, so today's video is about there you go, this thing here, the Blue Yeti microphone. Okay, so currently I've been using this, which is just a standard £5 microphone I got from Game Shop. But today I'll be upgrading. If I can open this box, maybe not. Let's take it out of there. That's really heavy. Okay, just throw that over there. So the reason why it's heavy is because the base is actually really heavy metal. There you go. So this is how the box opens up. You have a what looks like a very lengthy USB cable. Now you get the manual. And then if I just tease this out, nope, not going to work. So if I just kind of made some holes here for me to hold on to. Now that just comes off. There you go. It's really snugly in there. Okay, and it's finally free. Okay, so let's tell you a bit more about this lovely mic. Okay, so it comes in like this, and then you just tilt it up, and there you have it. If I put that there, it actually feels really well built. Nice and heavy, so it won't get knocked. Not too much, but I know from seeing other people's usage of these that it's very sensitive. One of the good things about this mic is that if you have a look there, I can, with an adapter, get a stick that on a stand or a tripod, and then this one here, this little port, that's for the earphone jack, so I can just listen to what I'm actually recording, and then that's off with obviously the USB. Okay, so I've also got the emergency mute button, the volume gain. Ooh, that feels real cheap and nasty. Must be careful using that. And on the other side here we've got the audio gain, and then the different modes that this microphone supports. Oops, there you go. Alright, so I'm going to talk a bit about the modes because that's one of the main reasons why I actually purchased it. From left to right we've got stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional and bidirectional. So stereo is for just normal vocals, for instruments and what have you. So you are basically using, now there are 3 microphones that work together to get the different types of audio sound recordings. So for the first set, which is stereo, it just uses 1 and 2 as it would, and then cardioid actually uses just the front, and then omnidirectional will obviously be all the way around, and bidirectional is sound coming from either direction. As you can see there's the microphone, the 3 different microphones there. Okay, so shall we try and plug it in? Now there weren't any drivers with this, so we'll have a look see now and see if it will just work. Okay, so now it's installing the mic, and now as you can see the mute is flashing, so I've either got it in mute or it's not in mute. Is it in mute? Test. Hold on a second. Okay, so that's not working at the moment. So I'm going to let it install the driver. Hello, this is the audio test using my webcam and the Blue Yeti. Okay, so this video is using the cardioid mode, and this is used mainly for podcasts, interviews, vocals and that kind of thing. Now when I was using the mic here at this position, I was getting a lot of ruffling and crackling, but if I use it here it's not too bad. Okay, so this test is using stereo. Now this mode is omnidirectional, so you can hear me from all the way around. Okay, and this is the bidirectional mode, so this will only be one of 2 ways, either that way, so person here and person there on either side, or either side here and either side there, so mainly for like interviews and that kind of thing. Okay, so I'm going to have another play with this in more depth and mess around with the sound files that I get from it, and I'll be importing them into SoundBooth and then messing around with them and then putting them through Premiere to see how my videos sound. Okay, so a lot of people when they do get one of these, they tend to put something over this, whether it be a sock or something similar, and I think I'll be doing that as well to try and make the sound a little warmer, because I don't think it's coming out right just at the moment. And the other concern I have is that I'm not getting any feedback through my earphones or my speakers. Now that's not from here because I haven't got it plugged in here, it's just actually through my PC, so I'm gonna just check those, settings and make sure it's working alright. So one of the main reasons for getting the Yeti is because I can use it in many different applications, and I plan on using it for these YouTube videos, any and all interviews that I do, and possibly even using it as a boom mic. So one of the main reasons for getting the Yeti is because I can use it in many different applications, and I plan on using it for these YouTube videos, any and all interviews that I do, and possibly even using it as a boom mic.